Hello! Do you want to learn a new language? Welcome! Today, we have a very important secret to share with you. Learning a new language can feel very hard. You buy big books, you study grammar rules, but you still cannot speak. You try to memorize thousands of words from a giant dictionary. Your brain hurts. It is too much work.
You feel sad and tired. Traditional studying is heavy. It feels like carrying a big rock on your head.
So, you try listening to native speakers on the radio. They talk fast. You want to understand them so badly.
But it is too fast! It sounds like crazy noise! You do not understand anything they are saying.
When you understand 0%, you learn nothing. Your brain gets frustrated and you want to quit.
Next, you try listening to baby materials. You listen to A, B, C, and very simple words. It is completely easy.
You know every single word. You understand 100%. But this is a problem too. It is very boring.
When content is too easy, your brain goes to sleep. You are not learning anything new. You are stuck.
Wake up! There must be a better way to learn. A way that is not too hard and not too easy.
Let us look closer. What is the secret to learning a language fast? We need to find the magic key.
Here it is. This golden key will change how you learn languages forever. Are you ready for it?
It is called Comprehensible Input. These are big words, but the idea is actually very simple and easy to use. A famous language expert named Stephen Krashen created this idea. He studied how the human brain naturally learns language.
Krashen says we do not learn by memorizing rules. We learn by understanding messages. That is the only way. Here is the golden rule. You need to listen to things you mostly understand. Not everything, but most of it.
Aim for about 70 to 80% understanding. If you understand most of the story, you are in the perfect zone. Think of it like a puzzle that is almost finished. You can clearly see what the picture is supposed to be.
70% means you know most of the words the person is saying. You feel comfortable and confident.
But wait, what about the words you do not know? What about the blank spaces in your knowledge?
Those missing words are the 20 or 30% you do not understand. And this is exactly where you learn.
This is where the magic happens in your brain. You learn new words without even trying to memorize them.
How? You become a detective. You use the context of the story to guess what the new word means.
You look at the pictures. You watch the person's face. You see what is happening in the video.
You listen to the tone of their voice. Are they happy? Are they sad? This gives you big clues. Your brain automatically connects the dots. It fills in the missing puzzle pieces using the clues around it.
Every time your brain guesses a word correctly from context, it gets stronger. You remember the word naturally. You do not need a dictionary for every single word. Put the dictionary away. Just follow the main story.
It is okay to guess. It is okay to not know everything. Let the unknown words float by you.
Learning this way is not stressful. It actually feels like playing a fun game where you solve small mysteries.
Or it feels like watching a great movie. You are focused on the story, not on the grammar rules.
If you enjoy the story, you will want to keep listening. Enjoyment is the fuel for learning a language.
When you listen to comprehensible input, you water your language garden. You give your brain exactly what it needs. And slowly, naturally, your vocabulary grows. New words stick in your memory because they are attached to a real story.
Remember the rule. If a video or podcast is too heavy, if it gives you a headache, stop listening.
Do not feel bad. Just press the button and change it. Find something a little bit easier for you. If a video is too light and boring and you learn 0 new words, you should stop that too.
Change the channel again. Find something a little bit harder. You are in control of your learning journey.
You must balance the scale. Find content that challenges you just a little bit, but keeps you smiling. It is just like the story of Goldilocks and the 3 bears. You have to test different things.
That one is too hot. It is too difficult and stressful. It will burn out your motivation to learn.
That one is too cold. It is too easy and boring. You will freeze and stop making progress.
Ah, this one is just right. You understand the story, but you are learning a few new words. Perfect.
Once you find your perfect level, do it every single day. Listen to stories, watch videos, and have fun.
Take small steps. The secret to fluency is not studying hard for one day. It is listening a little bit every day. Be patient. In the first month, you might just understand the main ideas. That is a great start. But after 6 months of comprehensible input, you will be amazed. The language will feel natural in your head.
Because you listen so much, the words will finally come out of your mouth. You will speak smoothly and clearly.
Find content you love. Understand 70%. Guess the rest. Enjoy the journey, and you will achieve your language goals.